If you have a small idea and a big imagination, then you've got to start working on it now. Not tomorrow, not later, but now. You don't really require $1 million investment or a big real estate. To give it a kickstart, your idea and your imagination is all what it takes. And the moment you start working on your idea, that right there is the first step to success. Did you ever notice you being a little lazy and trying to avoid some work, but then suddenly you decide, let's just do it now, and then you actually do pull off a good result? At the same time, you don't feel being lazy anymore. Well, in that case, you actually did defeat procrastination. Your idea needs to be dynamic, and by dynamic I mean everyone out there is working hard, but you need to work smart and give in your best efforts. Your idea is just like your personality, and you've got to treat your idea in a different way possible. What you need to understand is you've got to take the risk. You've got to give it a try, which your idea deserves. On this road of working on your idea, you'll get to learn and understand more about the field step by step. Remember the school time practicals? Those practicals made more sense than the theory. In fact, you can plan more about the idea when you are out there in the field, because most of the times if you spend more time planning on the idea before getting started, then the idea usually stays in the planning phase itself and you only wait for the right time. Do you know when the right time is? The right time is when you get up and start working on your idea. Even if you make mistakes on this journey, remember one thing, you're only going to learn a lot from the mistakes that you make. Your life is your life and you have the control. Make sure to bring out the best from you. What you should not worry about is what people will think. Will I just make a fool out of myself? Will this even work? Or am I just wasting my time? The answer is no, you are not wasting your time. In fact, what you should worry about is taking out time every day to work on that idea. People are anyways going to think, whether we do it or not, we are going to be fools if we don't work on the idea. But all of it doesn't matter. What matters is you working on your silly little ideas and being in a happy place. Remember, there are million stars out there in the galaxy and you are only competing with yourself. There's no such thing as failure, but only learning. So stop wasting time and become the star of your galaxy. Your dreams can be a reality, not just by sitting and wishing for it, but by working towards it. Your dedication, passion, and patience towards your idea will earn it for you. But all you gotta do is get started.